from on-site network to IoT device and monitoring platform. WIZCORE provides integrated smart manufacturing service for on-site digital transformation. Through end-to-end smart manufacturing solutions, WIZCORE combines all manufacturing processes with ICT technologies to build a customized intelligent manufacturing infrastructure for customers. How does WIZCORE's DX solution connect the site? A manufacturing site needs an IoT device that collects data and processes it in the necessary format, a network that facilitates seamless data transmission, and a platform that analyzes and visualizes collected data in real time. NextPalmer is a smart data gateway that collects diverse on-site data in real time. It collects various data from industrial sites, such as sensors and facilities, and pre-processes it into the necessary format through WIZCORE's optimized network service. From wired network to Wi-Fi and private 5G, all on-site data is transmitted to the integrated monitoring platform, NextPalm. Moving beyond one-dimensional data monitoring, NextPalm integrates and analyzes facility, safety, and company-wide data, such as production efficiency, quality metrics, and energy consumption patterns, to derive optimization strategies through AI. From industry-specific AI technology support solutions to ESG monitoring with energy optimization, and industrial safety solution for creating a safe working environment, WIZCORE solves on-site problems and delivers business insights for sustainable growth. Create the value of data through convergence of manufacturing and IT. WIZCORE